Hi, I'm Sutherland, and we own a store called Nature's Creations. We make things.
We make everything that is in the store. We created it all.
Yeah.
If you like handcrafted knickknacks and pieces of art, our store is for you. Fragrance Factory.
It smells really good in here because of the incense that we offer.
Smells like nature's wonder.
That smells good.
Smells good.
I think this is watermelon. They come in different colors and smells and scents, and they smell really good. We offer the thing that you,
Incense holder.
Huh?
It holds it?
Yeah, it holds it. Unconventional lights. We have a lava lamp, a lantern, and a bubblegum machine with Christmas lights in it. Look at me. Oh, I thought you had a booger.
Everything in the store, we create ourselves.
Unless we bought it from another store, then.
Candle holders.
Did I make that one, or did you make that one?
I think... I made it. I made this one.
Well, then I made this one. This is the one I made. We have a lot of turtle things. You made this one?
I made them both.
Which one did I make? I made one of them. There was one of them around here that I made. Oh. Yeah, I made this one. This is the one I made.
Ironic signs. Have all your friends cracking up at how funny your signs are. We have homemade instruments.
How do you play G again? Which one's G?
Do you recognize this one?
That's the one we wrote. We wrote that one. This one has designs. That one has designs too, but this one has more designs.
This one's smaller. Homemade jewelry.
Yep.
One size fits all.
Second one doesn't fit. This one fits most. One size fits most.
We open at sunrise and sunset. We're not constricted by the clock.
Right.
Just the light of
the sun.
The sun.
Yeah. That's how we tell time. That's how they used to tell time. We need to get back to that. Like, that's...
Handcrafted hats.
Bunny ears. Woven hipster beanie.
Festival sun hat. I don't know what that is. We have homemade tribal sticks. Custom made for whatever you would like on your stick.
Wait, no. This is authentic.
Yeah, but this one's custom made.
Oh.
Good for parties. Good for... almost as good as a didgeridoo. Stick. This is our tribal stick.
Yeah, authentic.
Authentic. Tell them where it's from.
eBay. I got it on eBay.
Where
Oh, at Woodstock in the 70s.
people signed it.
Yeah.
Well, they wrote on it.
Yeah, they wrote on it.
This is one I made.
It's really nice. Turned out really well.
Thanks.
I like the colors. I made this one. I mean, it's just as good.
Center yourself. Where's the jam band?
What does it say, jammy band?
Oh.